Hey there, welcome to the Spiffy tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a countdown timer to your Infusionsoft order form and how you can automatically expire your offer so you don't have to stay up till midnight to close down a promotion or close the cart on your launch. You can actually use Spiffy to automatically close down that offer and have that redirect to a downsell or to an expired page on your website so you can get a good night's sleep. Let's jump right in and I'll show you how it all works. So first we're going to edit this existing order form. You can obviously create a new order form if you're starting from that point, but we're going to edit this existing one. And under your elements library, we have this new element called the countdown timer. So we're just going to click on that, drag it out, and drop it right where we want it on our order form. We're going to change the spacing here just a little bit just to make it look a little bit better. All this text is editable just by clicking on it and typing. And the days, hours, minutes, and seconds are all editable just by clicking and typing. So it makes it easy to translate this element as well to a different language. Now, in order to set the deadline, you have to come over here to the element settings, this little gear icon. Click on that. So this is where you actually set the deadline. So we're going to click right in there and this nice little calendar pops up. And we are going to be running a promotion through the end of the month. So we want to expire it at midnight on the 31st, which is technically the morning of September 1st. So we're just going to click on that. And now our deadline is midnight on September 1st. We also want to set the time zone for our offer, so we know which midnight to expire the offer at, right? Because midnight is obviously different in all these different locations. We want to expire it at midnight Pacific time. This forward to is where you're going to put the URL for your expired offer. So like your downsell offer or an expired page that just is a page on your website that says, hey, sorry you missed the promotion. The registration's closed, or whatever messaging you want to have. That can just be a page on your website. So let's drop a link in there. Now, if you don't want to redirect this, you don't necessarily want to expire your offer, you can just leave this blank. So if you just leave this blank, once the countdown timer hits all zeros, it will stay on the order form, so people can still get to the order form. However, if you have a URL set here, once the countdown timer hits all zeros, it's going to redirect to this URL. So that's how you automatically expire this offer form. So after the deadline passes, anybody that tries to click on the link in the email or click on the link on your sales page, anybody trying to view the order form past the deadline will automatically get redirected to this URL. We also have a few different themes that you can choose from. So just a couple different styling options for your countdown timer, and all of these options also you can set the font color, the background color, and the border color. So I'm just going to select a few different options here just to kind of show you how it works. Not really designing anything super pretty at this moment, but you can match all of the colors from your branding, change those colors to be whatever you like. Background color you can set as well for the whole element. So these design settings are standard settings across all of our elements. And then these countdown timer settings are settings that are specific just to this element. So you'll see these throughout all of the elements in Spiffy. You can obviously also change the spacing manually by just typing it in there. And let's just say that's what we want to have on the form. We're going to hit publish. And if you don't yet have Spiffy installed on your Infusionsoft order form, click code, and we're going to copy this, and you're going to come into your Infusionsoft order form, and you're going to paste it into the custom HTML header, hit save, go click links, and now your countdown timer will load on your Infusionsoft order form. So you can see up here, it's still the Infusionsoft order form, and that's what we created. Let's just say that you don't want to have a countdown timer on your order form, but you still want to expire your offer at midnight. Maybe you have a countdown timer on your sales page and you just don't want one here, or maybe you're just doing it strictly all through your messaging, in your emails, on your sales page. You don't have countdown timers anywhere, but you still want to expire the offer. So I'm going to show you how you can actually expire the offer without having the countdown timer visible on the Infusionsoft order form. So the first step is just to go in here and we're going to change the colors to white. So basically what's going to happen is that the countdown timer is still going to be on the order form, but you're just not going to be able to see it. So we're going to delete that text just by highlighting it and deleting it. And now the countdown timer is still on this page, it's just being hidden because it blends in, right? So we obviously don't want this giant, what looks to be a giant white space above the order form, so we're going to move this down to the very bottom of the order form. So now it just looks like a normal order form, and the countdown timer is down here at the bottom. So the great thing about Spiffy is that once you've installed your Spiffy order form on Infusionsoft, you don't need to keep copying and pasting the code back and forth. Once this code is already on your Infusionsoft order form, all you have to do is anytime you make a change within Spiffy, you just hit publish, and now that change will automatically be reflected on the Infusionsoft order form. So now the countdown timer is hidden down here, and there was no extra copying and pasting back and forth. So now once this countdown timer hits all zeros, again, it will operate just as if you could see it. Once it hits all zeros, it's going to redirect back to the link, the URL that you set right here. So that's how you add a countdown timer, and that's how you expire an offer using Spiffy on your Infusionsoft order form. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@gospiffy.com. Just pop off an email and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you're not yet a Spiffy customer, go to gospiffy.com/pricing and create your account today. We look forward to helping you increase your sales through mobile optimized and conversion optimized order forms, and we hope to see you as a Spiffy customer soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll talk to you soon.